A modern skyscraper of glass and steel and a high-end modular server rack. Visually, they appear worlds apart. Yet under the surface, they share a singular, groundbreaking architectural philosophy. This is the story of how ancient organic geometry laid the foundation for modern digital infrastructure. Nature's original skyscraper, bamboo, holds a secret that revolutionized structural engineering. For millennia, builders in Asia have relied on bamboo scaffolding to reach unimaginable heights. Unlike rigid timber or heavy steel, bamboo possesses incredible tensile strength combined with extreme flexibility. But the true genius of bamboo scaffolding isn't just the material itself, it is the joint. By tying stalks together with standardized, replaceable joints, workers created a scalable, temporary grid. If a pole split or failed, it was simply cut out and swapped for a new one, without compromising the entire structure. In the 20th century, this organic logic migrated into the draft rooms of modern architects. Mid-century brutalist architects sought to capture this same efficiency through standardized steel connectors. Japanese metabolist architects like Kenzo Tange designed buildings to grow and shift like living organisms. They envisioned skyscrapers where entire residential pods could be plugged in, unplugged, and replaced. This philosophy of replaceable parts quickly moved from physical drafting tables to software. Architects realized that grid-based logic allowed for rapid deployment, scalability, and infinite variation. Today, this modular philosophy shapes the rapid assembly of prefabricated modular homes built from standardized blocks. In humanitarian crises, rapid deploy housing relies on these exact same flexible grids to provide immediate, scalable shelter. Today, this organic geometry has evolved into its ultimate digital form, modular hardware. A modern server rack is structurally identical to a bamboo scaffold. It is a rigid, standard frame designed to house hot swappable nodes, power supplies, and storage drives. Just as a bamboo scaffold expands organically to fit any building shape, modern data centers scale to handle global computing loads. If a drive fails in Tokyo or a server blade crashes in Virginia, it is swapped in seconds without taking the network offline. The Silicon-era technology that powers our digital lives is anchored in a botanical blueprint, a legacy of flexible strength, modular nodes, and scalable grids. From the high-altitude scaffolds of Asia to the cold isles of cloud infrastructure, the grid remains unbroken. The future of hardware isn't just about faster silicon, it's about maintaining the ancient logic of organic modularity. Tech, at List Nicely. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more tech stories.